What's up, guys? Welcome to lesson 8. We're going to talk about perimeter today. You should know that perimeter, the word comes from two Greek words. Peren means math problem that. Meter means makes you want to go cry and live in the desert by yourself. No, that's not what it is. Perimeter just means a distance around something. Circle, triangle, square. You can find it by measuring, or maybe even like with a marker. You can find the perimeter of your little baby brother's face if you just take a permanent magic marker and just go around like this and like a bunch of times. Like maybe get it from a lot of different angles so you can kind of, don't do that. Okay. I don't want any angry letters from parents, accusing me of, child abuse or anything like that. So anyway, we'll talk more about the specific perimeter of a circle and different things like that later on. But just be aware, it's how far around is something. So let's do a couple of these. Oh, what's the perimeter of each shape below? Let's say, I don't know, this is 10 and that's 8. And let's say this is a rectangle. That's a rectangle. That means that the sides will be parallel to each other and that the distances or the lengths of the opposite sides will be equal. So if they only give you this much, you're fine because you know immediately, then that's 10 right across there, and then this is 8. So just, 2 10s is 20, 2 8s is 16, so that'll be 36. And let's say this is a triangle. Let's say it's a right triangle, which means it's a right angle there. It doesn't really matter. But let's say that's 3, 4, and then how about 5? So the perimeter of the triangle, the distance around is 3 plus 4 plus 5, or 345. No, it's 12. All right, making sure. All right, another example. Let's say you have a square. And they tell you the perimeter of the whole thing is 20, all the way around. What's the length of each side? Well, what's different about a square than this rectangle on the left? Well, the difference is every side on a square is the same length, right? So if there are 4 sides to a square, they're all the same length. That means each side has to be 5 centimeters, right? That's the answer to the question. There you go. Okay. What? That was it? That's it? That's it. Okay. Try the practice set. Pause it. We're going to do all of them at once. So pause it. Do all of them. Come back. See you in a minute. Okay. I'm assuming you paused and did them all. Here is A, 48. 12 times 4, there you go. The rectangle, 20 both top and bottom, and 15 here. That's 30 plus 40, 70. C is going to be 5, obviously, 5 sides there. D is an equilateral triangle. We didn't talk about that. Equilateral just means equal sides. So if all those sides are equal, that means the triangle has 2, 2, and 2, which is 6. The trapezoid, which is, that's another word for, that's the muscle right here. Your trapezoids, gonectigozoids are here. Okay. All right, I pulled one of mine last week eating, Chick-fil-A. But anyway, yeah, you did trapezoid. You don't have to know anything about trapezoid at all, except for just measure the entire thing around. That'll be 55. Now F, 15. Ooh, that's not the right. Hold on, that's the incorrect unit. I think it should be centimeters. Centipedes. Whatever. Okay. The perimeter is 60. How long is each side? Well, if it's square, they're all the same, right? So the easiest thing to do is just take 60 and go 60 divided by 4 is 15, and there you go. So that's it. All right. Have a great day. Get those warm-ups done really well, okay? And I'll see you next time.